Namaste. Let's understand the simple steps you need to follow to start using your Sukalp Life Natural Hair Topper Toupee. Black or blondes, all Sukalp Life natural hair toppers need the same steps. Place your topper on a flat surface and remove the storage net around your topper. Save this net for later. You should always store your topper in this net to prolong the life of your topper. Don't worry. If you lose or tear it, you can buy another one on our website. Now remove the packaging paper under the topper. Store this as well. This paper helps keep the topper in the correct shape. If you lose this paper, you can always use some balled-up tissue paper in its place, but do remember to always store your topper with a paper padding under it. Notice the bounce of natural hair. Notice the center parting, hand-tied monofilament. When you place the topper on your head, your natural scalp is seen through the topper, making it very natural in appearance. Take a look under the topper and notice the 3 hair clips, 2 to the front, 1 to the back, and the hand-tied mono hair parting to the center. These clips attach onto your own hair. Now, we will be brushing the topper. Note the right brush for this. It should have steel bristles with flat rounded heads. You can buy this on our website. It's the right detangling brush for toppers. Keep the topper on a flat surface and get it ready for pre-use hair brushing. Always start with the ends and detangle the hair and work your way up, detangling as you go up. Brush the topper out to give its natural volume. Hold the topper above the place you are brushing the hair. Make sure you thoroughly brush it out to give it its full volume. Once you are done using the topper, please once again brush it out thoroughly to remove any tangles that have developed while you were using the topper. Now let's pack up the topper for storage. Place the soft paper padding to the center of the topper. Now turn the topper the right side up. Place the storage net around the topper. Make sure all the hair is within the net. Once it's done, you can now store the topper in the plastic packet that it came in. Thank you for watching. We wish you a great hair day ahead. Sukalp Life, open your eye now.